everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So actually here in this video I'm going to talk about the worst interview ever. Like last year, if you remember, there was one video which went viral in which one Orissa boy was being interviewed. The answers which he gave, they were just hilarious. The video was shared. All of us watched that video. We laughed a lot, including me, and we just forgot about that video. But recently I thought that if we can see any such mistakes in spoken English, means we are English teachers. So it becomes our duty to rectify these mistakes. So now many of you whosoever must be preparing for your interviews. Those may be your college interviews, those may be your job interviews, for anything. So if you want to avoid such mistakes, if you want to avoid being a laughing stock like that guy from Orissa, you must watch this video. Because here I have tried to rectify all his errors. I have tried to explain whatever he spoke, instead of that what he should have spoken. So actually the thing is that there were many things which were not wrong. I personally believe that he might have spoken those things out of nervousness. Because it's quite common that whenever you are going for an interview, especially for your first interview, you are likely to get very nervous. So you are perplexed, you are confused what to say, what not to say. So if you want to avoid such things, if you want to be prepared for your interview, and if you want to crack it, just watch the complete video, because it's not for entertainment, it's just for your use. There's high possibility that after watching this video, you will not do such mistakes in your interview and you will definitely crack the interview. So let's see what mistakes did he do and how to correct them in your interview.
Hi, so tell me about yourself.
Sir, I am sitting in front of yourself.
So इनकी सबसे पहली गलती है एक लेडी को सर बुलाना. ये सामने देख रहे हैं कि इनको क्वेश्चन करने वाली एक लेडी है, फिर भी उन्हें वो सर बुला रहे हैं. ये सब नर्वसनेस की वजह से हो रहा है. और ये कह रहे हैं आई एम सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर सेल्फ, इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट ही शुड से आई एम सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू.
Myself राकेश मोहंती.
अब ये सबसे बड़ी गलती कर रहे हैं. ये अपने आप को माई सेल्फ राकेश मोहंती बोल रहे हैं, जो कि बिल्कुल गलत है. और मोस्टली लोग इसी चीज़ को यूज़ करते हैं. जब भी आपसे पूछा जाता है टेल अबाउट योर सेल्फ, तो आप बोलते हो माई सेल्फ दिस एंड दैट. दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग. माई सेल्फ का मतलब होता है मैं अपने आप से. तो आप इस तरह से कभी नहीं बोलेंगे मैं अपने आप से राकेश मोहंती हूँ. तो प्लीज़ करेक्ट दिस एरर इन योर इंटरव्यू एज वेल.
And I am technology mad.
सो अब इनका एरर है, ये कह रहे हैं आई एम टेक्नोलॉजी मैड, जो कि बिल्कुल रॉन्ग है. इसके बजाय इनको ये बोलना चाहिए था आई एम मैड फॉर टेक्नोलॉजी. और अगर आप उससे भी बेटर यूज़ करना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन से आई एम क्रेजी फॉर टेक्नोलॉजी. लाइक आप अपने किसी भी फील्ड से रिलेटेड इस तरह से कह सकते हैं आई एम क्रेजी फॉर दिस थिंग.
But if you will ask me what is my passion, I will.
So he is saying it is my passion. So passion is completely wrong from pronunciation point of view. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये तो बहुत इजी है, हम सबको पता है. बट नर्वसनेस में ऐसी सिली मिस्टेक्स अक्सर हैं. तो आप पहले से प्रिपेयर्ड रहें और इंटरव्यू में प्रैक्टिस करके जाएं.
I will say hardware. But this is for the first time I am doing on Spiky.
So here he is speaking spike instead of Skype. तो ये Skype को यहाँ पर spike बोल रहे हैं, जो कि wrong है. और हो सकता है इन्हें ना पता हो, या फिर हो सकता है ये nervousness की वजह से ऐसा बोल रहे हों.
Go on.
Sir, I am from Jharsuguda. I studied 10th Saraswati Sishu.
So he is saying I am from Jharsuguda, whatever place he said, that is absolutely correct. Like he is using correct. But when he said I am studied and that school, so there he must have said I have studied 10th from this school, right? So he missed the preposition from here, that you have to be careful about.
Vidya Mandir, graduate Cambridge Institute, Ranchi, not from England, note it.
So here again he is missing from Ranchi, and then he is saying from India, not from England. That is even beyond my understanding. Like what was his intention? Why was he saying that Ranchi is in India and it's not from England? Or he wanted to say that he has completed his graduation from India only?
And I am putting my screwdriver everywhere and seeing what is happening.
सो हियर आई थिंक ही वांट्स टू से कि मैं सब जगह जाकर चेक करता रहता हूँ कि कहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की प्रॉब्लम है अपने स्क्रू ड्राइवर से, और फिर मैं उसे फिक्स करता हूँ. मीन्स ही एक्चुअली वांट्स टू से दैट आई कीप ऑन चेकिंग वेयर एवर देयर इज एनी प्रॉब्लम विद इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड आई ट्राई टू फिक्स इट. एंड ही सेज आई एम हिडन साइंटिस्ट. मीन्स ही सेज दैट he wants to say that he has the qualities of a scientist in him. That is what I understand.
I am a hidden scientist.
Okay, so what experience do you have?
Sir, I am working with BSNL telephone company. Whenever the line goes off, I ride the telephone khamba and make the line good.
I think here he wants to say whenever there is any problem in the lines of telephone, he goes and he checks all the poles and all the wires and he just fixes them accordingly. So he is saying I ride on all the khambas and all. I think he means to say that he checks all the poles and wires. So he wants to say that here.
And during my spare time, I chat on girls on Facebook.
So here he is saying I chat on girls on Facebook. That is absolutely wrong. He must have rather said I chat with girls on Facebook. So guys, if you want to avoid to become a laughing stock like him, please don't do such mistakes in your nervousness.
And also I collect pan masala wrappers. I have a huge collection, almost 2000.
And how do you see yourself progress in this career?
Sir, I will have a fruity career in your steamy company and I will perform and reach the climax position.
Okay, and can you shift?
Here he is pronouncing some words very wrongly, like rappers and collect and all. It must be collect and rappers. Apart from that, he is saying I see a fruity career. Instead of fruity, he must have said I see a fruitful career in your esteemed company. He said something different. So you have to say I see a fruitful career in your esteemed company and I would reach the highest position. He said I would reach the climax position. That is absolutely wrong. So you should rather say I would try to reach to the highest position in your esteemed company. So this way you have to correct these errors in your interview.
Roman?
Sir, I do not have any problem to shifting abroad country, but I will not change my religion. Otherwise, I am very open-minded and I am always happy, even when I am sad.
अब यहाँ पर ये क्या मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं कि इंटरव्यू लेने वालों ने इन्हें रिलीजन के बारे में किसी बारे में कोई भी बात नहीं की और ये अपने आप से ही बोले जा रहे हैं कि आई विल नॉट चेंज माई रिलीजन, आई एम वेरी ओपन माइंडेड, मोरली आई एम वेरी हाई, दिस एंड दैट. सो गाइज यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल, डोंट एग्जैजरेट एनीथिंग. जी जितना आपसे पूछा जाए इंटरव्यू में आपने उतना ही आंसर करना है. आपने अपने आप से कोई भी चीज़ नहीं बोलनी, कहीं वही आपके लिए नुकसान ना हो जाए.
Letter ready from BSN.
Okay, so then we'll get back to you.
Sir, I am getting the job now.
We'll get back to you.
Thank you very much.
Now at last he committed the biggest mistake when he said my resignation letter is ready. So guys, you don't have to show that you are just desperate to join that company or to get that job. And when the lady said okay, we will get back to you, he said I am selected for the job now. So that is quite silly. You don't have to say anything, you only have to say thank you very much and you have to stand up and you have to leave. That's it. So I'm hopeful that you all must have watched this video very carefully, because this was not for entertainment purpose, as I told you right at the beginning. It was just to rectify those errors and to prepare yourself for your interviews, right? So if you are still having any doubt related to anything, you can watch the video once again, and whenever you have any interview, just watch it before that also, because there are like certain things which you don't want to say, like you know the correct answer, but only because you are nervous you are speaking it in a wrong manner. So just to avoid those things, I personally recommend that you please do a lot of practice before going for your interview. So thank you for watching. I really wish that all of you should share this video with your friends also. There is possibility that your one share may make the life of one person. Thank you so much, and subscribe to Kingdom of Learning, and don't forget to like the video.